color orange.
What are we having?
I'm having you for lunch.
Yes, I know you are. But I mean, what are we going to eat?
Oh, with something, a surprise.
My mother must have been thinking of someone else. She told me to beware of cats.
Mothers, bless her. They're all the same. For some reason, they think it's their job description to stop us from having fun. But not my mother, though. Do you know what she used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever shut doors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten one phrase that let me sing you every smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't eat it. So Ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can throw in your tub before the crunch. You can play with your food while you bite it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. So, tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It could be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle with a couple stuff on the mother. Go back to the shallows. Oh, maybe it's time to slide and slide and wash away fun marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly or go on a boat for a race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. Oh, you play hide and seek now, do you? Where are you? Am I getting cornered? You can play with food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let's play with you. You can play with food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food while you bite it. It's a crazy little game. Like oranges?
I don't know. I've never tried one.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
What's that noise?
Oh, salivating.
It sounds like it's coming from outside.
Oh, that. That's just a wretched view from the barn playing ball.
What are people?
What are people? Bad news. That's what people are. Think of yourself lucky, Ducky. I'm going to spare you from ever having to encounter them.
Ah!